How to make Mending Villager in Minecraft. So first go to a village and find a unemployed villager. So I have one right here. We'll just go close to him. Now get your crafting table, place it on the ground, open it up, then get 4 oak slabs and 1 bookshelf. Place it like this, and the bookshelf on the middle. And now you will get your lectern. Once you have your lectern, just go close to the unemployed villager and place the lectern next to him. As you can see, they will instantly become a librarian. And now what you need to do is just simply destroy and put the lectern back till you have the mending book here on the trades section. So just repeat this process. So after some time doing it, you can just open up the trade section again, and as you can see, I now have the enchanted book after a few tries. And that's how you basically get a mending enchantment in a villager in Minecraft.